It would be a normal occurrence for me to get over 1,000 emails a day in the weeks leading up to a single event. And so I totally understand being buried by email. I think there's multiple ways of dealing with that. One would be is look at where the volume of your email is coming in. So if you have some type of task or some type of information that you're collecting, which just means that hundreds and thousands of people are just emailing you information that you're compiling and trying to put together, that's email that's wasted because that's not communication, that's information. And so figure out other ways of collecting that information in a way that doesn't require you in emails. The other thing that I found with emails too that I work with my internal team on is to make sure that the subject line has the correct information in it, the action date in it, so that I can prioritize email. Because I think email is just a fact of life and it'll continue to be a fact of life. So understanding how to prioritize the email as it comes in, how to file it, organize it, put it in folders, that goes back to the organization piece earlier of how can you remain organized. And if you look in my email inbox, I probably have 100 folders, but I can find things within 30 seconds. So I would say do a mixture of figuring out how to manage your email inbox with appropriate terms and actions, as well as figuring out just what type of tools are out there that could help automate that information collection versus communication.